I did
Last
my
part.
boyfriend's ex's hair and she tried to fight me. So I guess her taking that snacks was not enough, so she ended up saying that she wanted to fight me. Like she said she wasn't leaving without fighting me. So I told her, right, let's go. We not doing it in the house. It's too much. Yeah, let's just go outside real quick. So my boyfriend, of course, he's not gonna let me fight. He like, what you mean outside? You're not fighting because I'm calling the cops and she's getting out of here. So when he say that, I'm thinking that he talking to me. He talking to her. So I'm like, you meant to say that to me or to her? Because why you talking to her? He's like, I'm talking to her. You're not putting your hands on her. So in my head, I'm mad confused. So I'm looking at him, I'm like, so you talk to her, but you was just acting real clueless when I called you to tell you that, you know what? So now they both just sitting there looking retarded. So I'm like, you know what? This whole situation giving me a headache and it's pissing me off. So y'all can all get up out of here. I went up behind her, snatched my wig off, and of course a piece of her skin came off. A piece of her, a whole bunch of her edges came off, all of that. After I did it, he like, why would you do that? So I told him, why don't you come up out of your pocket and get her a new wig to put on her head? I'm taking my snacks from her. Told her, if you too broke to get snacks, that's not my issue. You're not my responsibility. Never saw neither one of them after that. Story time.